Your front door is the first impression your home makes, so why not let it radiate the warmth and charm of Valentine's Day? Whether you're hosting a festive gathering or simply want to brighten the day for your neighbors and loved ones, decorating your door can set the stage for a heartwarming celebration. With thoughtful touches and creative designs, you can transform your door into a delightful centerpiece that celebrates love and joy. From romantic wreaths to twinkling lights, your entryway can become a beacon of love and positivity. Let's dive into enchanting Valentine's Day door ideas that will bring smiles to all who pass by and inspire everyone to embrace the spirit of love. A Valentine's Day wreath is the perfect way to dress up your door with elegance and charm. Opt for a heart-shaped wreath adorned with red and pink roses, baby's breath, or even faux blooms for a long-lasting touch. Incorporate elements like ribbons, lace, or pearls to add texture and romance. For a unique twist, try a DIY fabric wreath made from strips of red and pink cloth tied around a wire frame. Personalize it by adding small wooden letters spelling love or attaching tiny framed photos of loved ones. If you're into a rustic aesthetic, consider using natural elements like twigs and burlap, accented with paper hearts or dried flowers. These romantic wreaths not only make your door stand out but also create a warm, welcoming atmosphere for all who visit. To make your wreath even more eye-catching, consider adding battery-powered fairy lights or glitter accents to give it a sparkle that shines day and night. You could also use scented artificial flowers or small sachets of potpourri attached to the wreath to give your entryway a subtle, romantic fragrance. Another idea is to include metallic or pastel hearts woven into the wreath design for a contemporary twist. If these Valentine's Day door decoration ideas inspired you to spread the love right from your doorstep, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves festive decor. Transform your door into a statement piece with creative door covers. Use wrapping paper or fabric in Valentine's Day hues to cover the entire surface. Add layers of interest with oversized hearts, love notes, or cut-out cupids arranged artistically. For a more interactive approach, consider a chalkboard door cover where guests can write their own messages of love and appreciation. Attach a small basket with chalk pieces for convenience. Another idea is a cascading heart garland, where strings of paper or felt hearts dangle from the top of the doorframe. Mix in metallic or glitter accents for a touch of glam. These creative covers are sure to catch everyone's attention and spread Valentine's cheer. To elevate the design further, add a large central motif like a fabric or wooden heart centerpiece with a romantic quote or family name. You could even use adhesive vinyl decals in intricate Valentine's patterns to give a polished look. Layering tulle or sheer fabric over a base color also adds dimension and softness to the overall presentation. How are you decorating your door for Valentine's Day this year? Share your creative ideas in the comments. I'd love to know how you're welcoming guests with love and style. Lighting can instantly elevate your Valentine's Day door decorations. Wrap your doorframe with LED string lights in soft pink or warm white tones for a magical glow. Add fairy lights inside translucent heart-shaped ornaments or jars to hang around the entryway for a dreamy effect. Lanterns filled with rose petals or fairy lights can be placed on either side of the door to frame your display. If you want something more whimsical, try battery-operated light-up hearts or neon signs with romantic phrases like "Be Mine" or "Love Lives Here." Lighting accents not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also create a cozy and inviting ambience for the evening. For added creativity, consider solar-powered lights that automatically turn on at dusk, reducing the need for electricity. You could also hang strings of heart-shaped bulbs or add pathway lights that guide visitors to your front door. Incorporating motion sensor lights with a Valentine theme, such as projecting love symbols onto the door, can also surprise and delight your guests. For more seasonal door decor and festive ideas, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on creative inspiration. Your door isn't the only area to decorate, don't forget the doorstep. Layer a Valentine's-themed welcome mat over a larger outdoor rug for a stylish look. Surround your entryway with potted plants featuring red and pink blooms, or add decorative heart stakes into the soil for an extra festive touch. For a playful vibe, create a display of vintage suitcases or wooden crates, stacking them with love-themed props like faux letters, teddy bears, or mini heart-shaped balloons. You can even place a small bench or chair nearby adorned with a cozy blanket and Valentine's-themed pillows to complete the look. These thoughtful details tie the entire entryway together, making your home irresistible to visitors. Extend the decorations by including hanging baskets of flowers or attaching heart-shaped ornaments to your porch railings. Small fairy light curtains draped on the sides of your door or entryway can amplify the festive mood. Add a Valentine's-themed birdhouse or wind chimes to create soft, romantic sounds that complement your aesthetic. Want more Valentine's Day ideas? Check out our playlist full of decor tips, DIY crafts, and festive designs for every corner of your home. Your Valentine's Day door decorations are more than just adornments, they're an expression of your creativity and the love you wish to share with the world. Each element, from the romantic wreath to the illuminated accents, adds a unique touch that speaks to your personal style. As the centerpiece of your home's exterior, your door becomes a canvas for joy, welcoming all who approach with warmth and festivity. It's a chance to share the spirit of Valentine's Day, creating a space where love and kindness thrive. These thoughtful decorations can spark happiness, becoming conversation starters for your neighbors or inspiration for passers-by. Every detail, no matter how small, contributes to a welcoming ambience that invites everyone to embrace the season of love. Even after the decorations are taken down, the memories they inspire will linger, reminding you of the beauty in celebrating love and connection. By taking the time to make your door shine, you're setting the tone for a season filled with heartfelt moments and cherished gatherings. A decorated door can transform an ordinary entrance into a magical threshold, a place where affection meets creativity. It's a way to connect with your community, brightening someone's day as they pass by. And in the quiet moments, it becomes a reminder of the effort and care you've put into making Valentine's Day special for yourself and your loved ones. There's something truly magical about the act of decorating. It's not just about how it looks, but how it makes you and others feel. It's about the warmth it brings to your home and the joy it spreads to those who see it. Your decorated door can become a symbol of togetherness, a small yet powerful gesture that reminds everyone of the importance of love in our lives. Whether grand or simple, your effort adds to the collective spirit of the season, inspiring those around you to celebrate in their own unique ways. And as you step back and admire your creation, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the process, the thought, care, and love poured into each detail. These moments of creativity and reflection are what make Valentine's Day truly memorable. Decorating your door is just the beginning. It sets the tone for everything else you do to celebrate Valentine's Day, adding a touch of magic that lingers long after the day has passed. Here's to embracing the beauty of love and sharing it, one heartfelt decoration at a time. Let your door serve as a beacon of love, a simple yet profound reminder of the beauty in expressing care and affection. When others see your efforts, they feel the spark of Valentine's magic too, creating a ripple effect of joy and inspiration. Every ribbon tied, every light strung, and every decorative heart placed speaks volumes about the warmth you're bringing into the world. It shows that even the smallest acts of creativity can have a big impact on how we experience and share love. This Valentine's Day, let your door's decorations tell a story, your story. A story of love, celebration, and the heartfelt intention to make this day special for everyone who experiences your thoughtful display. Love the decorations featured in this video? Check the description for links to the wreaths, signs, and supplies to recreate these looks for your door. Valentine's Day is a celebration of love, creativity, and connection, and your decorations are a heartfelt way to express those sentiments. A beautifully adorned door can transform an ordinary entrance into a symbol of warmth and welcome, setting the stage for memorable moments. Each thoughtful touch reflects your care and passion, turning a simple space into something extraordinary. From whimsical designs to romantic elements, your door becomes a canvas for joy and inspiration. As you step back and admire your handiwork, know that your efforts have added a little more love and beauty to the world. These decorations are more than just visual delights, they're an expression of the heart, creating a ripple of joy for all who see them. Your Valentine's Day door decoration is not just a visual treat, it's a heartfelt gesture that brings smiles and warmth to everyone who sees it.